Generally, cell phone towers are emitting RF waves, which is harmful to the living organisms. Cell phone towers, also called base stations, have electronic equipment and antennas that send and receive signals to and from cell phones. While the typical coverage radius of cell phone tower is 1 to 3 miles, and in dense urban environments, a cell phone tower usually reaches 0.25 miles to 1 mile. Birds are known to be sensitive to magnetic radiation. Increasing number of cell phone towers in cities apparently are bringing down bird population. When birds are exposed to weak electromagnetic fields, they disorient and fly in all directions, which harm their natural navigational abilities. Cell phone towers emit a very low frequency of 900 or 1800 MHz called microwaves. They can cause thin skulls of chicks and thin eggshells. Radiation will also affect human body with loss of hair falls when radiation is higher than 200 REMS. Heart, brain, thyroid and reproductive tract functions will also affected by the radiations. Some of the control measures for the radiation effects are: prefer not to use mobile phones when the signal is weak, because during the weak signals the radiation becomes very strong to connect with a nearby tower, and government should also make rules to restrict the rate of electromagnetic radiations. Limit the maximum number of towers to be installed in a particular city.